what I'm going to show you is quick little use of the prime number circles and doing stuff like factor trees and those type of items that you might see in stage 3/stage 4 curriculums. So if we just head over to our numbers section, down to prime factor circles, we'll see our circles here. I've got one here already ready to go, 132. So if I just drag that in, you can see obviously a lot of different colors popping up, which are representing different factors. Now, if I just go to the settings, remember when you click on any tile, the action bar will pop up. We can see that we can leave it as their products like that, or we can actually do sectors and products, which actually tell us what those numbers actually are. So naturally what we would do is we would kind of pull this apart and do, the factors of what makes up 132. So by holding the Alt key down, we can click and drag and automatically copy. And let's say your students are aware that 11 times 12 is 132. So by removing that 11, we've got that 11 times 12. And what we can then, using the drawing tool, we can draw our arrows off to that. Moving down the list again. So I'm just going to click and highlight, holding down the Alt key. Now, depending on how you do this, some people like to carry down that prime factor on the same line. Others might cease the tree on that side. It's really up to you how you obviously teach that. So I'm now going to break 12 up into its factors. So again, talking to the kids, they might say 3 times 4. So I'm just going to bring that 3 off to the side here, bring the 4 over a bit more. And again, draw in my arrows. We then obviously look at 2 times 2 being 4. So again, holding the Alt key down does that nice quick copy. We can use that copy function here. So I'm dragging that down. I'm just going to extract the 2 times 2, maybe give myself a bit of room here to bring those down. Okay, and then drawing those arrows in. And as you can see, I've now got my solution, which is 132 is equal to, and I might just make this look a little bit nicer by actually copying those items. I like to keep things in numerical order. So there's a 2, 2, 3, and 11. I'm just going to put multiplication signs in between. And then from there, obviously we can say, well, that's 2 squared times 3 times 11. So just zooming out, showing you what that looks like overall. This is what students will naturally have in their work booklets, but it's a nice visual way, and the colors as well just help to connect colors to numbers, which may help students with the way they visualize their mathematics. Hope this helps, and good luck using that function. It's a nice little neat trick.